Okay, we need some milk, some porridge oats all the way from Scotland, peanut butter, smooth or crunchy, and some bees honey. Oh, and a banana.
Tell the kids I love them.
Okay, it's very important that you count out your porridge oats. We need exactly 100 for this recipe. So count them out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 100. There you go. You can see I've counted them so quickly. Very important, that is. So put your oats in your bowl, get your milk ready. Lovely fresh milk straight from the cow. Well, supermarket. That much milk. Get your banana. 1 skin. 2 skin. 3 skin. Get your Mindra out, and if there's any food companies that want to send me any products, please be my guest.